Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Chrysler 300 door handle. First, ensure you have the correct tools ready, including a T20 Torx bit and a small flathead screwdriver. We will cover the process step by step, focusing on careful disassembly. Preparing your work area is crucial to avoid any scratches or damage to your car's finish. This guide will help you confidently tackle the removal process, making it straightforward and manageable for anyone. Now, let's begin by accessing the handle's internal mechanism. Start by locating the small plastic cover on the inside edge of your door, near the handle. Gently pry this cover off using a small flathead screwdriver. Beneath it, you will find a retaining screw. Use your T20 Torx bit to loosen this screw, but do not remove it completely. This action will release the lock cylinder cap on the outside of the door. With the first screw loosened, you can now slide the lock cylinder cap completely out from the door's exterior. Next, pull the main door handle outward, as if you were opening the door. This action will expose a second retaining screw located inside the handle's cavity. Use your T20 Torx bit to loosen this second screw. Once it's loose, you can carefully slide the entire door handle assembly free from its mounting points on the door. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps. Carefully align your new or repaired door handle assembly with the opening in the door. Slide it into place, ensuring all tabs and clips engage correctly. Then, tighten both retaining screws using your T20 Torx bit, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Finally, test the handle's operation several times to confirm it opens and closes smoothly and securely before closing the door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.